I'm Chef Danny, and I've got a great way to make healthy mashed potatoes. The first thing in my mashed potatoes I like to do, I like to leave the skins on the potatoes. That keeps a lot of nutrients in, and it also makes it easier in the kitchen. Then I steam my potatoes, and then when they're ready to come out of the water, I put them in a bowl. Now at this point, most of us like to add butter and cream. What I do is I add some low sodium chicken stock, just enough to moisten it, and then I add some trans fat-free margarine, and I take my mixer and I make my mashed potatoes. Now I like to keep my mashed potatoes a little rustic, so I like them a little more chunky as opposed to like a creamy puree, but of course make them any way you like them. So the mashed potatoes are just about done. The next thing to do here is we're just going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And there you have a delicious, healthy way to enjoy mashed potatoes.